it's just impossible to work like this. Alright, so I did get the roof liner out. Yeah, I'm not going to walk you guys step by step through that. I mean, it was kind of a pain in the ass, but basically you take both the A-pillars out, the rear window pillars, and then you start prying the roof down. Obviously, you remove the lights. You remove the OnStar, you remove the light here, you remove the light here, disconnect the OnStar system, and then the roof just pops down. Mine was pretty mangled anyway though, so I broke a few clips, but yeah, I really want to get these stupid blown airbags out of here, so. Why they put it like that? Okay guys. Alright guys, we gotta remove the seatbelt tensioner. There's it's a two-stage seatbelt, and I'm gonna send them off to my airbags. I'll call them to get them reset. But there's one located in here and one in the back that you guys saw me. You didn't see me remove it, but you saw me take the paneling off in the last video. So let's go ahead and try to get this one off. I believe this is T20 or T15. There's little two bolts back here. Here. So you're going to remove this plate right underneath the driver's knee bolster. Just pull. Just come right on up. Just like that. And then you can remove this other.
I don't know if this is a very good angle, but so this is gonna get me high enough. I see it. Push up on the tab. And just push down and pull up. Now your airbag control module was released. Okay, so the seatbelt module got reset and it's back. Put this back in the car. Alright, so they got this done. The module must be bolted down with all 3 bolts. If not, airbag and seatbelt will deploy. Really? That's good to know. Alright. Let's do that.